Welcome to Logistics ABC. Today we're taking a deep dive into inbound logistics, the critical first step in building an efficient and cost-effective supply chain. Whether you're a student, educator, or logistics professional, this video will give you everything you need to master the concept of inbound logistics and learn how to optimize it. Inbound logistics involves managing the flow of raw materials, components, and goods from suppliers to your business. Think of it as the foundation of your supply chain. Without well-managed inbound logistics, production delays, cost overruns, and supply issues are almost guaranteed. Here's a quick breakdown. Definition: inbound logistics is about sourcing, transporting, and receiving goods from suppliers. Key components: procurement, supplier management, transportation, receiving, and inventory control. Why it matters: it minimizes delays, reduces costs, and ensures smooth operations. Remember, if you're busy, that's the summary. But stick around because we're unpacking this topic in greater detail to help you truly understand how to optimize your supply chain. Inbound logistics refers to everything that happens between sourcing materials and storing them in your warehouse or manufacturing facility. It's essentially managing the upstream flow of goods. Imagine you're running a furniture business. Your inbound logistics might include sourcing raw wood from suppliers, coordinating transportation to bring the wood to your facility, ensuring quality upon delivery, organizing it in your warehouse for easy access during production. Take Amazon as an example. Their inbound logistics involves sourcing millions of products from suppliers worldwide, coordinating their transportation, and ensuring inventory is ready for distribution, all while keeping costs low. Why does inbound logistics matter so much? Well, because it directly impacts cost savings. Efficient inbound logistics reduce unnecessary transportation and storage costs. Supplier relationships. Strong partnerships lead to reliable deliveries and better pricing. Operational efficiency ensures your production line has everything it needs without delays. Customer satisfaction. A smooth supply chain leads to faster deliveries and happier customers. All right, let's break it down into key components. First up, we have sourcing and procurement. Identify the best suppliers, negotiate contracts to secure the best price and terms, and ensure suppliers meet quality and delivery standards. Next, transportation management. Choose the right shipping methods, whether it's by air, sea, or road. Plan efficient routes to save time and fuel, and use technology like GPS tracking to monitor shipments. Then there's receiving and quality control. Inspect incoming goods for defects or inconsistencies, and verify that shipments match purchase orders. For inventory management, organize materials for easy retrieval, and use just-in-time inventory to reduce storage costs and waste. Finally, supplier management. Build long-term relationships with reliable suppliers and establish clear communication and expectations. So those are the key components of inbound logistics. Now let's talk about how to make your inbound logistics as efficient as possible. Here are 5 best practices. Use technology. Invest in tools like ERP and WMS or transportation management systems for real-time tracking and data analytics. Consolidate shipments. Combine smaller shipments to save on transportation costs. Optimize transportation routes. Use route optimization software to reduce delivery times and fuel consumption. Monitor supplier performance, track metrics like on-time delivery rates, quality, and communication. Forecast demand accurately. Use historical data and market trends to predict what materials you'll need and when. Every system has its challenges. Let's look at the most common issues in inbound logistics and how to solve them. Unpredictable lead times. Solution: diversify your supplier base and maintain safety stock. Rising transportation costs. Solution: negotiate long-term contracts with carriers and optimize delivery schedules. Inventory overload. Solution: use demand forecasting and just-in-time inventory to avoid overstocking. Poor supplier communication. Solution: set up regular check-ins and establish clear expectations up front. Let's address some frequently asked questions. How is inbound logistics different from outbound logistics? Inbound deals with materials coming into your business. Outbound focuses on delivering finished products to customers. What's the role of technology in inbound logistics? Tools like ERP and WMS systems improve accuracy, reduce errors, and enhance efficiency. How can small businesses improve their inbound logistics? Focus on building strong supplier relationships using cost-effective transportation methods and investing in basic inventory management tools. Inbound logistics is the foundation of your supply chain. By optimizing it, you can reduce costs, improve efficiency, and set your business up for success. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe to Logistics ABC for more insights into supply chain management. Don't forget to check out our recommended videos for deeper dives into logistics topics. Together, we're simplifying logistics one step at a time. See you next time.